Hello students, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn the exercise 9.3 problems. First question, in a circle of radius 10 cm, a chord subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment, major segment, and use pi value as a 3.14. So let's draw a diagram. So here is a circle with the center O and its radius is 10 centimeter. A chord subtends chord. So here is a chord AB subtends a right angle at the center. So join O comma A, O comma B, and here is a 90 degrees. So and the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. So OA is a 10 centimeter and OB also a 10 centimeters. Find the area of a corresponding minor segment. So here is a minor segment. Next, find out the major segments. So let me find out the minor segment first of all. To find out the minor segment, first I am going to find out the area of a sector. So area of sector. What is the name of that sector? OAB. It is equals to x degrees divided by 360 degrees into pi r square. So x value, this is x value. So it is 90 degrees by 360 into pi value given in the question, that is 3.14 into radius. So the radius of a circle is 10. So r square means 10 square. So it is equals to, here 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9 fours are. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 square, answer is 100. So here 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 100. So into 100 means the decimal point will move to right side for 2 digits. So it is a shortcut method. So 314. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28. Remainder 3, 34. 4 eights are 32. Remainder 2, here 0.5, so 78.5 centimeter square is the area of a sector. Now find out the area of a triangle OAB. So area of a triangle OAB, formula 1 by 2 into base into height. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into base. See here we can find the area of a triangle directly because it is a right angle triangle. So here it gave 90 degrees. So that is why base is radius of a circle, height also a radius of a circle. So now 1 by 2 into 10 into 10, 100. So it is equals to 50 centimeter square. So let us find out the first answer. What is that? Minor segment. So area of minor segment. So from the figure, area of a minor segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of a sector 78.5 minus area of a triangle 50. So 78.5 minus 50 equals to 28.5 centimeter square. So next second question, what is that? Area of a major segment. So second one is, from the figure the area of a major segment means here the remaining portion is the area of a major segment. So to find its answer, area of a circle. So area of a circle means this is a total area of a circle. From this remove the area of a minor segment. So area of minor segment. So area of a circle we did not find. Let us find now. That is pi r square minus area of a minor segment already completed. That is 28.5 centimeter square. So pi value given in the question, that is 3.14, and here r value radius of a circle, so 10 square minus 28.5. 3.14 into 10 square, just now I was explained, it is equals to 314 minus 28.5. 314 can write as a 314.0, here 28.5. So do subtraction, 10 minus 5, 5, here 13 minus 8 is 5, 10 minus 2, 8, 2. So 285.5 centimeter square. Second question, in a circle of radius 12 centimeters, a chord subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Find the area of a corresponding minor segment of the circle. So use pi value 3.14 and root 3 value also given, that is 1.732. So the suitable diagram for this, here is a circle with the center O and radius is 12 centimeter, a chord. So let's draw the chord AB. Subtend means the end point of the chord meet at center, then one angle will be formed. It is 120 degrees and the radius 12 centimeter, here 12 centimeter. So now he is asking find the area of a corresponding minor segment. So here the shading portion is called a minor segment. So to find this minor segment, first we need to find out the area of a sector. So the area of a sector formula, x by 360 into pi r square. So x value 120 divided by 360 into pi value, that is 3.14 into r square, r value radius, so 12 square. So here 0 0 cancel, 12 1s are 12 3s are, so 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 12 square is 144. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 carry, 3 8s are 24. So 3.14 into 48, 3.14 into 48. So it is equals to 150.72 centimeter square. So next we need to find out the area of a triangle OAB, but here it is 120 degrees, not a 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, then OA, OB both are base and height respectively. So that is why we need to do some extra work to find out the base and height for this particular triangle OAB. So here is a 120 degrees, so and here radius 12, here also 12. So let us draw a one angle bisector at the same time side bisector. So this angle bisector, what will happen here, 60 and here also a 60. Here OAB, here take the C and 90 degrees. So first in the either triangle OCA or OCB, select any one your wish. So in triangle OCA, so the 90 degrees is angle C. So here in the triangle OCA, here is a 60 degrees. So 60 degrees opposite side is a required and hypotenuse given. So opposite and hypotenuse nothing but sine 60 degrees. So 60 degrees opposite side AC divided by hypotenuse, that is 12. So sine 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 equals to AC divided by 12. So root 3 by 2 into 12 equals to AC. So 2 1s are 2 6 are, so AC value 6 root 3. Okay. So similarly CB value will becomes 6 root 3. Am I right? Why? Because observe the second triangle OCB triangle. In this triangle also same measurement 60 degrees and 12 degrees, 12 centimeters. So next we need to find out height of the triangle. So what is the height of the triangle here? So this is the height of the triangle. So to find this height of the triangle, 60 degrees adjacent side, and here is a hypotenuse. So 60 degrees adjacent and hypotenuse means cos 60 degrees. It is equals to OC divided by 12. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 equals to OC by 12. 1 by 2 into 12 equals to OC. So then OC equals to 6 centimeters. So let us find out the area of a triangle OAP equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into, what is a base here? AB is a base. But what is a AB value? AC plus CB. So it is equals to 12 root 3. And height is what? 6. 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 6 are 36 root 3 centimeter square. So next, find out our required answer. What is our required answer? Area of a corresponding minor segment. So it is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of a sector 150.72 centimeter square minus area of a triangle 36 root 3. So 150.72 minus 36 into root 3 value given, that is 1.732. It is equals to 150.72 minus 62.352. So it is equals to 88.368 centimeter square. Third question, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Use pi value 22 by 7. So the car front window. So here is a car front window. So here is a first wiper. Here is a second wiper. O. Here O dash. Here take the P. Here P dash. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Overlap means they will not meet. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter. So here 25, here 25. Sweeping through an angle of 115. Sweeping through an angle of 115. So this is a one sweep. Okay. Now here is a blade. So this is a sweeping area. Here also same situation. Okay. So by making angle 115 degrees, so 115 degrees. So find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So how much area cleaned by two blades we need to find out. Observe, it is very clear, it is looking like a sector. So indirectly we need to find out the area of a sector at two places. Then you will get the total area of a total area by two blades. So total area cleaned by two blades equals to 2 into area of sector. So 2 into x by 360 into area of a sector is pi r square. So 2 into x value, that is 115, pi value already given, that is 22 by 7. R value means the length of the blade is a R, so that is 25 centimeters. Okay, so 2 into 115 by 360 into 22 by 7 into R square, that is 25 square. So 25 square value how much? 625, na? So 2 into here 5 table 115 by 360. okay, into 22 by 7. What will happen here? Here 7 ones are 7, remainder, sorry, it is not coming in 7 table. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 sevens are 35, 1 remainder, 5 twos are 10, 2 11s are 2, 36 are. So finally here 23 into 11 by 36 into 625. So next here 2 ones are 2, 18s are. So it is equals to 23 into 11 into 625 divided by 18. And of course here 7 will be there, into 7, here also into 7. So 23 into 11 into 625. So 1,58,125 by 126. So let us divide with 126. 126 ones are 126. Remainder is 8 minus 6 2, 5 minus 2 3. Next digit is 1. So 126 twos are 252. 11 minus 2 9. So the remainder is 69. So next digit is 2, 692. So 5 are 630. So 2, 9 minus 3 6. Next digit 5, 625. So next to 4s are 504, and the remainder is 21, 121. So take the point. Next digit 0. So next 126 9s are, so n of 1 decimal place. The final answer is, what is that? 1254, 1254.9 centimeter square. Fourth question, find the area of the shaded region in the adjacent figure where ABCD is a square of side 10 and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as a diameter. So use pi value 3.14. So here first we need to draw already a diagram given, but here I am drawing the diagram manually. ABCD is a square, its side is 10 centimeters. So using the each side as a diameter of a semicircle, so he drawn total 4 semicircles. So first AB side. AB is a side, but it is a diameter of a semicircle. Next BC is another side, it is a diameter of another semicircle. Next CD is a side, it is a diameter of another semicircle. Next last one DA also a side, it is also a diameter of another semicircle. Okay, so now is asking what is the shaded portion. So this is a shaded portion. Okay, so to find out the area of a shaded portion, so let's find the area of a unshaded portions. So here unshaded portion 1, unshaded portion 2, unshaded portion 3, unshaded portion 4, because directly finding the area of a shaded portion is not possible. So first of all, area of a unshaded region in the bracket 1 plus 3. So we can find 1 and 3 unshaded portions combinedly. How it is possible? Area of a square minus 2 into area of a semicircle. Why? Because this is the area of a square. From this left side semicircle, right side semicircle, if you are removing, then the remaining portion is what? Here. Unshaded portion 1, unshaded portion 3. Okay, so that is why area of a square minus area of a 2 into area of a semicircle. So area of a square formula side into side minus 2 into area of a semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square. So side of a square is 10. So 10 into 10 minus, here 2 cancel, pi value given in the question, that is 3.14 into radius of a semicircle. See here, each semicircle drawn with the help of side of a square. So that means diameter of a semicircle is 10, then radius will become 10 by 2, it is equals to 5 centimeter. So substitute this value here. 10 into 10 is 100 minus 3.14 into 5 square is 25. So 7850, and here 2 decimal places. So 100 minus 78.5, it is equals to 21.5 centimeter square. So next, area of a unshaded region 2 and 4. Okay, so what is the area of a unshaded region 2 and 4? Same 21.5 centimeter square, because the measurements are same. Side is 10 centimeter, diameter also 10 centimeter. So we will get same answer for area of unshaded region 2 and 4. So let us find out the area of a square, area of a shaded region equals to area of a square minus area of a unshaded region. What are the unshaded region? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so area of a square 10 into 10 minus area of a unshaded region. See, 1, 3 unshaded region 21.5, 2 and 4 unshaded region 21.5. So 100 minus 21.5 is 43. So 100 minus 43 is how much? 57 centimeter square. Fifth question, find the area of the shaded region in the figure. ABCD is a square of a side 7 centimeter and APD BPC are semicircle. Pi value, use pi value 22 by 7. So the given diagram in the textbook is, here is a square, ABCD is a square and its side is 7 centimeters. APD BPC both are semicircles. So here is the intersection point P. So find the area of a shaded region. So this is the area of a shaded region. So therefore area of a shaded region is equals to area of a square minus 2 into area of semicircle. So this left side semicircle, right side semicircle, remove it from the total area of a square, then you will get the area of a shaded region. So area of a square formula side into side minus 2 into area of a semicircle formula 1 by 2 into pi r square. So side is 7, 2 into 1 by 2 into, so here we can cancel the 2, so then it is equals to 22 by 7 into radius of a semicircle. See here, side of a square is 7, then diameter of a semicircle will become 7. Then from this radius is equals to 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 whole square. So it is equals to 49 minus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square is 49 by 4. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 49, 2 twos are 4, 2 11s are. So 49 minus 11 into 7, 77 divided by 2. 77 divided by 2 equals to 49 minus 38.5. So 49 minus 38.5 is 10.5 centimeter square. Next, sixth question. In the figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with the center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD 2 centimeter, find the area of a shaded region. Use pi value 22/7. So OACB is a quadrant. Quadrant means here is a circle. Draw a x-axis and y-axis. So then the circle divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is called a quadrant. Okay. So here he gave only one quadrant, that is OACB. So let us draw a quadrant. Here is a center O. Here O, A, C, here is a C and it is a B, and with the center O, radius 3.5. Here OB is 3.5 centimeters, OD is OD is 2 centimeters. Then find the area of a shaded region. So area of a shaded region is equals to area of sector minus area of a triangle. Okay, so area of a sector formula x by 360 into pi r square minus area of a triangle formula 1 by 2 into base into height. So one thing you remember, for example, here is a circle. It is divided into 4 equal parts. So each part is a quadrant. In the circle, angle at the center is 360 degrees. Then in the each part, here is a 90 degrees. So that is why here 90 degrees will be there. Okay. The angle at the center in quadrant definitely 90 degrees. Now what will happen here? X value 90 by 360 into pi value 22/7 into r value, which is r value 3.5, not 2. Okay, so 3.5 whole square minus 1 by 2 into base of a triangle, which is a base here. 3.5 is a base and height is OD is a height. Now OA is not a height, OD is a height of a triangle. So that is how much? 2. So here 3.5 I am writing in the fraction form, that is 35/10. So 3.5 whole square, that is by 35/10 into 35/10. Next here 2 cancel, 3.5 again 3.5, so 35/10. So let us simplify this answer now. Here 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9 fours are 2, 11s are 2 twos are. So next one 7 ones are 7 fives are 35, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. Next to 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10. So is there any other cancellations? No. Here also same, 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10. So now coming to numerator. Numerator is what? 11 into 7 by denominator 2 into 2 into 2 minus here numerator 7 and denominator is 2. So it is equals to 77 divided by 8 minus 7 by 2 is 3.5. So otherwise let's take the LCM. Very simple. 7 by 2. LCM is how much? 8. 77 minus 8 in 2 table 4s are 4 into 8, 4 sevens are 28. So it is equals to 77 minus 28, 17 minus 8, 9, 6 minus 2, 4 by 8. So 8 ones are 8 6 are 48, remainder 1, so point, so 0, 8 ones are 8, so answer is 6.1. So here I am finding the answer up to 1 decimal place. So answer 6.1 centimeter square. Next is 7th question. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 and 7 centimeters with center O. If angle AOB 30 degrees, find the area of a shaded region. Use pi value 22 by 7. So concentric circle means two circles with the same center. So these are the concentric circles. So in the concentric circle he gave two arcs. So first of all let's take the center O. So first arc AB. So join O comma A, O comma B. Next here one more arc, that is CD. So AB is a arc of bigger circle, CD is a arc of smaller circle. Angle AOB is 30 degrees. AOB means here 30 degrees. Okay. So next the radius, bigger circle radius 21 centimeter. That means here OB is a 21 centimeters. Next smaller circle radius 7 centimeter. So OC is a 7 centimeters. So then what is the area of a shaded portion? So this is a shaded portion. So area of shaded region is equals to area of bigger sector, area of bigger sector minus area of smaller sector. So area of a bigger sector formula x by 360 into, here better we take x1 into pi r1 square minus x2 by 360 into pi r2 square, because we have a different radius. So it is equals to x. X means angle at the center. What is that? 30 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into r1. R1 means radius of the bigger circle, that is 21. Next x2. X2 also same 30 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius of a smaller circle 7 square. So to simplify this, first I am taking the common. So here 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 is a common in the both terms. So 21 square minus 7 square. Here 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are. So 2 11s are 2 6 are. So then it is equals to 11 by 6 into 7, 42 into 21 square. So is 441 minus 7 square is 49. So it is equals to 11 by 42 into 441 minus 49, 392. So here 7 6 are 42, here 7 5 are 35, remainder 4, 7 6 are 42, 6 1s are 6, 8s are 56. Sorry, 56 is not coming in 6 table. So 2 28s are here, 2 3s are. So 11 into 28 here, 28 28 8 10 1, 308 divided by 3. So let us convert into fraction, decimal. So 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 2s are 6, remainder 2, 0, 3 6 are 18, remainder 2, 6. So it is equals to 102.66 centimeter square. Next, 8th question. Calculate the area of a designed region in the figure common between the two quadrants of the circles of radius 10 centimeter each. Use pi value 3.14. So here first quadrant, here is a first quadrant. Okay. Next to one more quadrant. So here is a second quadrant. So the common between the two quadrants. So this is a design. So let's find out the area of this design. Okay. So here A, B, C, T, and the radius of the each quadrant is 10 centimeters. So we cannot find out the area of a design directly. So that is why let's draw a one diagonal in the diagram in the design. So then the design will divide into two parts. Here first part and it is a second part. Now we have to find out the each part area separately. So first part, area of a part 1 equals to, see here, the first part is in the quadrant CDB. Am I right? In the CDB quadrant, first part is available. Okay. So to find that, what I am doing, area of quadrant minus area of a triangle. Okay, because there is a triangle here CBD. If you are removing this CBD from this quadrant, then you will get the area of a first part. So area of a quadrant formula 1 by 4 into pi r square. Otherwise quadrant means it is a sector. You can use x by 360 into pi r square. Any formula. So area of a triangle formula 1 by 2 into base into height. So we know very well angle at the center in the quadrant is 90 degrees. So 90 by 360 into pi value 3.14 into r value. Radius of a quadrant. Radius of a quadrant is how much? 10. So 10 square minus 1 by 2 into base. Angle C is a 90 degrees. So then this is a base and it is a height. So 10 into 10. So now let me simplify this. 90 by 360 is 1 by 4. 3.14 into 10 square is 100 minus here 50. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 100, 314 minus 50. So it is equals to 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28, 3 remainder 34, 4 eights are 32, 2 remainder 0.5, 78.5 minus 50. 78.5 minus 50 is 28.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of a first part. Next area of a second part. So what is the area of a second part? Same 28.5 centimeter square. Why? Because same. How to find out the area of a second part? Area of a sector or quadrant minus area of a triangle. So measurements are same. So you will get the answer 28.5 centimeter square. So finally the area of a shaded region is equals to area of a first part and area of a second part. So 28.5 plus 28.5. So it is equals to 57 centimeter square. So next optional exercise, sixth problem. Find the area of a shaded region in the figure in which two circles with centers A and B touch each other at the point C, where AC 8 and AB 3 centimeters. Here two circles with center A and B. So first of all, here I am taking the center A. With the center A, draw one circle. Next one more center. Here is a center B. With the center B, draw one more circle. The both circles will touch each other at point C. So here is a point C. So then meet at point C. Next AC value 8 centimeter. So here AC is 8 centimeter. AB is 3 centimeter. So here is a AB 3 centimeter. So what is the area of a shaded region? So here is the shaded region. So area of a shaded region is equals to area of circle, otherwise area of a bigger circle, area of a bigger circle minus area of a smaller circle. So area of a bigger circle formula pi capital R square. Take the capital R at the place of radius, and area of a smaller circle is pi small r square. So from the both we can take the pi common. So pi bracket of r square minus r square. So it is equals to, it did not mention the pi value, so I am taking 22/7. And capital R means radius of the bigger circle. Do we have radius of the bigger circle here? Yes, AC is the radius of a bigger circle because A is the center of a bigger and C is the one point on the bigger circle. So that is why it is 8. Next to radius of the smaller circle. Radius of the smaller circle means where is the center of the radius, center of the circle. B is the center of a circle as per the question. Then radius will become BC. But we don't have a BC now. So that is why BC value is equals to, here BC equals to AC minus AB. So AC value 8 and AB value 3. So it is equals to how much? 5 centimeter. So it is equals to 5 square. So 22/7 into here 8 square 64 and 5 square is 25. So 22/7 into 64 minus 25, 39. So let's simplify this. First of all, 22 into 39. So it is equals to 858 divided by 7. So let us do division with 7. So 7 ones are 7. Next one reminder, 7 twos are 14. Again one reminder, 7 twos are 14. 4 reminder, point. Next to digit 0. 7 fives are 35. So enough one decimal point. So 122.5 centimeter square. Next to 7th question. ABCD is a rectangle with AB 14, BC 7. Taking DC, BC and AD as a diameters, 3 semicircles are drawn as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. First of all, ABCD is ABCD is a rectangle. AB 14 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter. Taking DC as a diameter, draw one semicircle. Next to BC as a diameter, draw one more semicircle. Next last one AD as a diameter, draw one more semicircle. So then what is the area of a shaded region? So here is a area of a shaded region. Okay. So here is a not possible to find out the area of a shaded region directly. So that is why I am going to find out the left side semicircle, right side semicircle at a time because their diameter is same. So first I am finding the area of a two semicircles. So two semicircles with diameter one is AD, another one is BC. So 2 into area of a semicircle formula 1 by 2 into pi r square. So here 2 cancel, pi value 22 by 7, r value, r means diameter of a semicircle. Here BC diameter, AD diameter. So BC how much? 7 centimeter. It is equals to AD. It is also 7. So diameter equals to 7. Then radius equals to 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 whole square. So it is equals to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square is 49 by 4. 7 ones are 7 sevens are 2 twos are 2 11s are. So it is equals to 77 by 2. So it is 38.5 centimeter square. So area of a two semicircles completed. Next area of another semicircle. Where is that? Here, this one. But this area was not shaded. We need this one. This area is required. So that is why area of a unshaded semicircle, it is equals to area of, otherwise what I am doing, area of a shaded region in rectangle is a better, no? So area of a shaded region only in the rectangle. So that means area of a rectangle minus area of semicircle with diameter. So with diameter AB. So area of a rectangle formula length into width minus area of a semicircle with diameter. Semicircle formula 1 by 2 into pi r square. So let us substitute the values in this. Length value 14 and breadth 7 minus 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius of a semicircle with the diameter AB. AB value how much? 14. So D value is 14. Then radius equals to 14 by 2. So it is equals to 7 square. So 14 sevens are 7 fours are 28, 2 carry. So 98. 2 ones are 2 11s are 7. Here square cancel. Then here 7, just 7 will be there. So it is equals to 98 minus 7. 98 minus 7 how much? 91. So here 11 also there, na? 11. So 98 minus 77. 98 minus 77. 8 minus 7 1. 9 minus 7 2. 21 centimeter square. So therefore area of a total shaded region, the required answer, area of a shaded region is equals to area of a left side right side semicircle. Already we completed. How much? That is 38.5. And area of a shaded region in the rectangle, that is 21. So 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 2 5, 59.5 centimeter square. So answer completed. So that's it children. I will be back with a new chapter in the next video.